Hello, yeah. So welcome to my YouTube channel. The name is still remain the same. I'm Kenny Rhymes, a co-founder of Rundel Technology Company. Yeah, so welcome all my new subscribers and my old ones to your fresh and new episode on my number and humble YouTube platform. Here we also talk about how to make money online, dollar arbitrage, tech, and a lot. Yeah. So today I want to show you, like, if you're in Ghana and you want to start an online business, people has this perception that online businesses pay them through, let's say, wallets and paper, Payoneer, TRC20, USDT wallet, and things. So today I want to show you how, though if you don't have all this paper and things, what you have to do so that you can withdraw your online business money into your mobile money wallet. So I'll be using physical cash. I'll be using cash for you to see. I'll be withdrawing the money and for you to see everything live. Yeah. So first of all, I operate more than 15 businesses on my phone. Yeah. So today I want to open one of my businesses. That's Marshalling. Marshalling is like, let's say, a fashion platform that you perform some task and you earn money daily. So every day you'll be earning 2.2 USDT. So I'll be showing you, and this platform, they don't accept mobile money, but I'll be showing you how I will draw the money into my mobile money. So first of all, I open my Machine accounts, and I will log in. So this one, every business you are doing online that accepts TRC20, PayPal, Payoneer, you can use this formula to withdraw your money into your what? Into your mobile money wallets. So pay attention to the steps and you will do it. So if I go to task, so today task, I've already performed it. So if I go to completed, you see that I've performed today's task. I perform it at 4 o'clock. So I've gotten 2.20 USDT. So let me go to my wallet, my accounts, and I have for 2.2 USDT that I can withdraw it. So before I can withdraw it, though this account doesn't accept mobile money wallet straight, they only accept USDT accounts. Yeah, they, and some of the accounts will also accept PayPal and Payoneer and things. So these are the things you have to do. So since these accounts receive only USDT wallets, first of all, I'll go to Xness. And Xness, because of their security reasons, you can't record their screen. If I open it, when I record the screen, it will be black. So that one, I'll open it with my MacBook. It's my MacBook, and I'll show you everything. So let's continue with the process. So if I come here, then I'll go to withdraw the money. So it's loading. So I have 2.200 USDT to withdraw. So enter 2.2. And this is my wallet. This is my wallet. So the wallet you will use for your withdrawal, that wallet, you can't change it. So this is my wallet. This is my wallet. So I'll enter. For security reasons, at times they can change the wallet. So let me go and check whether that's my wallet in the platform TG617. TG617. So that's my wallet. Yeah. So I will enter my PIN. So I'll enter my PIN over here and I'll click on confirm. So it's withdraw successful. So within 3 minutes, I will receive So within 3 minutes, I will receive my money in my Xnex account. Right now, I have almost 40 something. I think I have 48 or 43, something like that in my account. Yeah, I have that amount in my account. Yeah, so I want to. So after this, I will show you how you can withdraw it to your Momo. So let's wait and see whether I will receive the money in my account, because people think that online businesses are scam and they can't withdraw their money and things. So I'm showing that any online businesses, it's not, though some are scam, but there are lots of things. Me, what I will teach you is real. You see that then? Yeah. So you see, within 2 minutes, I will receive the money. I will get an alert that I've received the money in my USDT account. Yeah. So I connect my Xness account to this account. So I receive the money. Everything. So I've received the alert. I've received the alert. So have you seen the date? 18th. That's 6:44. Yeah. So have you seen? Now I had 43 point something in my USD. So right now the 2.2 as what added to my account. So let me show you how you can withdraw the money straight to your mobile money. So this time around, I will use my MacBook to do it. So let me connect my mobile hotspot to my MacBook, and I will, because of Xness, the security reasons, you can't record their screen. So unless I use my phone camera to record my laptop screen for you to know how you withdraw the money into your mobile money wallet. So join me on my screen. Yeah, so this is my Xness account. Yeah, I've opened it on my MacBook. So I want to show you how you can transfer the money. So let me show you that so I have the 45.79. So let me show you how you can withdraw the money into your mobile money. So you have to use this method if you are an online businessman and you don't know how you can withdraw your money into your mobile money. So you can use this method. Yeah. Let me turn the thing on where, so that you see it well. Yeah, very well. So I'll go to withdraw. And we see we have a lot of withdrawal method over here. You see, we have a lot, but I will choose mobile money. And here they will not charge you anything. And I want to withdraw all of the money. So 45.79. So that means I'm withdrawing what? I'm withdrawing 554 Ghana cedis. I'm withdrawing 554 Ghana cedis. Then I'll click on what? Continue. And you have to know it that I'm withdrawing the money into my mobile money. Yeah. So I'll click on continue. So this is how it is. The commission is no commission, and the rate of $1 on this platform is 12.11. So this is how we do it. I will click on confirm. And one thing about this is like it takes 10 to 20 minutes to be in your account. Yeah, it takes 10 to 20 minutes to be in your account. So they will send you some notification on your phone. So I'll receive it right now. I received the verification on my phone. Verification is successful. So I'll click on what. So I'll click on what, continue. So we said what, withdrawal via mobile money. So I will choose your mobile provider. So my own is MTN. So I choose MTN, and I'll go down and click on confirm. So he said that your request is in progress. We are processing your request and you will receive your fund as soon as possible. So I'm getting 555.00. So let's wait for them to process, and I'll do the video recording on my screen for you to see. Yeah. So I just received the alert in my mobile account. So have you seen it? I've received the alert in my mobile account that I've received 555.00. So have you seen it? So that's how it works. It works as magic. Yeah. So I think I'm done. So follow this process and you withdraw your money to more money every day or any kind of online job you're doing. Yeah. And this process is very, very simple. Cause like a lot of this online business, they allow payments like Payoneer, PayPal, and this TRC20 or this Coins wallet. Yeah, so you can use this format to draw your money to your Momo wallet each and every day. It's that thing. Yeah, you can do it each and every day. So I think I'm done. So thank you for watching me, and don't forget to subscribe. And if you don't understand anything, you can just leave a message in the comment section, or you can chat me on WhatsApp and go vibe. And my WhatsApp number end with 20. So anyone that will chat you and be like, he is the founder of Rundel, is not that person. My last number start with 720. Yeah. So I think I'm done and I'm out.